Hey there! Today I'm talking directly to all you wonderful seniors out there about something super important, preventing falls at home. Let's dive into some easy, practical tips to keep you safe and steady on your feet. First up, let's talk about clutter. It's easy for things to pile up, but keeping your walkways clear is key. Make sure there are no loose rugs, cords, or random objects that could trip you up. Next, lighting. Good lighting can make a world of difference. Install night lights in your bedroom, bathroom, and hallways to help you see better at night. And don't forget to ensure your stairs are well lit too. How about your shoes? Ditch the slippers that don't fit well and opt for sturdy, non-slip footwear. It might not sound like much, but it can make all the difference. Now let's address those stairs. If you have stairs, make sure they have handrails on both sides. And consider adding non-slip strips to each step for extra grip. Speaking of grips, grab bars in the bathroom are a must. Install them near the toilet and in the shower or bathtub. They provide extra support and can prevent a nasty slip. Exercise is another biggie. Regular physical activity strengthens your muscles and improves balance. Even gentle exercises like walking or Tai Chi can help keep you steady. And finally, don't be shy about using assistive devices. Things like canes or walkers are there to help you stay independent and safe. It's always better to be safe than sorry. That's all for today. Remember, these small changes can have a big impact on your safety. Stay safe, stay active, and keep enjoying life. Thanks for watching.